Buying a home can be one of the biggest investments you will ever make. And the mistake you make now could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. I remember when one of my first students bought her dream home without getting pre-approved. She fell in love with the house and learned the hard way about heating costs. That experience could have been avoided with a few simple steps. Are you ready to buy a house but worry about making a costly mistake? Do you want to make sure your first home is smart investment instead of a money pit? Hi everyone, my name is Korianne. For those who are new here, I have been investing in cash flow real estate for over 20 years and have achieved financial independence in my mid-30s by consistently investing in cash flow real estate. My passion is to teach other women how to make smart decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Today, we are going to break down the top mistake to avoid when buying a house, what heating costs to look out for, and how to make sure your first home is a smart investment, not a money pit. So let's dive in. Buying a house is exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. Many first-time buyers make mistakes that can be costly, mistakes that are easy to avoid if you know what to look for. Here are the most common ones. Number one is shopping for a house before getting pre-approved. This is big, time-consuming. Many buyers start looking at houses before they know what they can afford. You fall in love with the home only to realize it's out of your budget. Pre-approval saves time, set realistic expectations, and strengthens your offers. Number two is not getting a realistic budget. Don't just focus on the asking price. You need to factor in property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and potential repairs. A house can look affordable but leave you financially stretched. Number three, skipping the home inspection. I cannot stress this enough. Skipping the inspection is like buying a car without checking the engine. You may be blindsided by heating issues like the roof damage, plumbing problems, or mold costing you thousands later. Number four, underestimating closing costs and post-purchase costs. Closing costs, moving expenses, new furniture, appliances, and even minor repair that can add up quickly. Plan ahead so this don't come as a shock after you sign the paper. Number five, learning emotions drive the decisions. It's easy to fall in love with a house, especially one with that perfect kitchen or stunning view. But don't let emotion cloud your judgment. Focus on numbers, neighborhoods, resale potential, and long-term values. If you want to master your finances, to set realistic budget and avoid overpaying for your first home, I have a video link in the description. You don't want to miss it later at the end of this video. Make sure to watch it. Now that you know the common mistakes, let's talk about how to spot a house that could be money pit before it's too late. Some houses look perfect on the outside, but the inside tells a different story. Here is what to watch out for. Number one is major structural issues. Cracks in the foundation, uneven floors, or water damage can cost tens of thousands of dollars to fix. Don't ignore warning signs. Number two, aging major systems and no upgrades, like the HVAC, plumbing, or electrical system that hasn't been updated in the decades can create huge repair costs shortly after you purchase. Number three, mold, water, or pest damage. This isn't just cosmetic issues, they're affecting your health, safety, and property value. Number four, deferred maintenance and neglected appearance. A house that hasn't been maintenance will require ongoing repairs, which quickly add up. Number five, outdated or unsafe wiring, plumbing, Electrical and plumbing issues are expensive to fix and can be safety hazard as well. Number 6, high vacancy, low neighborhood value, or poor resale prospects. Even if the house is perfect now, a declining neighborhood or poor resale potential can turn your dream home into a financial headache. Mistakes avoided and bad houses identified. Now let's talk about costly most buyers forget to budget for. Buying a house is more than the purchase price. As you know, many first-time buyers get caught off guard by extra costs. Here is what to include in your budget. Number 1 is closing costs. This includes attorney fee, title insurance, and lender fees. Budget about 2 to 5% of the purchase price. Number 2, moving expenses. From hiring the movers to buying boxes and supplies, this costs add up fast. Number 3, property taxes and homeowner insurance. Don't forget annual property taxes and insurance. They can significantly affecting your monthly payments. Number 4, ongoing maintenance and repairs. Even well-maintenance homes need upkeep. Budget at least 1 to 2% of your home's value annually for maintenance. That's coming up surprisingly. Number 5, HOA fees. If your home is in the community with an HOA, factor in monthly or yearly fees for amenities and upkeep. Number 6, furnishings and appliances. New homes often need essentials like refrigerators, washer, dryer, and furniture. Plan for those upfront. I want to share a quick story with you. One student bought a home without budgeting for repairs. She loved the hardwood floors and updated kitchen, but ignored the old roof and plumbing. Within 6 months, she spent about $15,000 on unexpected repairs, money she could have saved by planning ahead. Here is my advice for you. Take your time, do your homework, and always plan for the unexpected. It's better to be cautious than fall in love and regret it later. What is the biggest challenge you are facing as a first-time home buyer? Comment below. I read every message and love giving my perspective to you. So let's recap what we have learned. Avoid rushing into the purchase without pre-approval or a realistic budget. Don't skip inspections. Heating issues can cost you dearly. Watch for bad investments, structural problem, outdated systems, or poor neighborhood value. Budget for all heating costs, closing, insurance, maintenance, HOA fee, and furnishings for the new home. Buying a house is exciting, but it's also a huge investment. Follow these tips to protect your money, avoid mistakes, and make smart purchases. So don't forget to subscribe for more tips on real estate and watch my next video on Master Your Finance. It's packed with strategies that will help you become a confident homeowner and a real estate investor. Happy investing, everyone. Thank you for being here. Ciao for now.